What's up, YouTube? Today, it's a GEC knife. And you know what that means. I mean, it's gonna be a banger, right? This is the 53mm Grits and Molasses Acrylic 108 out of 150 from way back. And let me see. We got some Muskrat clips, by the way, looking real good. (2007). I got this for a song. It's not for sale or trade. It's a great piece. Very cool. I think it was carried, maybe. Probably never sharpened though. I may have used it to cut a few things, nothing crazy. The only reason I would carry it, or did, I just don't think I'll get what it's worth. And also the usual demeanor of a GEC enthusiast that I talk to online that I'm not already friends with is that they're an asshole. So I'll probably just keep it and not sell it. You know? Think that's good idea, guys? I should just keep it? Or sell it for an exorbitant amount? On a platform like eBay, well, you'll have to pay a bunch of tax. Like, comment, and subscribe. If you like content like this, then you'll like my channel. That's about all she wrote for this one. Thanks for sticking with me. I hope you folks have a great rest of your day.